Hello EWRSD, this is Kevin McGill from your IT department making a video on how to use the printer installer shortcut on your tablet. On your desktop on the left side, you should have a printer installer shortcut. If you do not have this shortcut, contact us so we can resolve it quickly. It shouldn't take us a terrible amount of time to fix it. So if I were to left click twice on the printer installer shortcut, a small window appears. Now the title of the window shows what building I'm in. So if I am in HHS, the title of this little utility window will contain HHS. If I am at Grace Norton Rogers, then the title of this little utility will say GNR. I also cannot map printers for buildings I'm not in. I can only map the printers of the building I'm in. So I am right now in HHS, so I can only map printers that are in the high school. So when we are putting the room number in, we use a 3-digit length. So for example, here we have room 7. We would type in 007. For room 25, we would type in 025. And if we have a 3-digit room length with a letter, or any, it doesn't even have to be 3 digits. Like if we're in room 7D, it would be 007D. But in this example, if we were in room 141B, we would literally type out 141B. So for this example, in the high school that I'm in right now, I'm going to type in 505. Now I'm going to click OK. Now visually, nothing will happen. Once you click OK, the utility will close. But what you can do in the lower left-hand corner, open up your Windows menu and type in the word printers. Under Best Match, it will say Printers and Scanners, so I'm going to tap on that. And then in the list of printers and scanners available to me, I have HHS Room 505 Color Laser. So I was successfully mapped this printer. So if I no longer want the printer available, I can always click once on it and then click on the Remove Device button. And then I can acknowledge my action by clicking Yes. And then that printer will be deleted from the list. I'm going to click on the X in the upper right hand corner, and then I would like to do another little demonstration. So I'm going to open up the printer installer. I'm of course still at the high school, so I can only map high school printers. So I'm going to type in 110. I'm going to click OK. I'm actually going to bring up the printers window again that I had up earlier. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it again. Bring up the Windows menu, type in the word printers, and then I click on printers and scanners at the top. So in the printers and scanners list, I have room 110 here. Now you should also know that when you are mapping printers, when you are trying to gain access to a printer by using that printer installer shortcut, that they may not always appear instantly in the printers and scanners list. It can take about 30 seconds at most to appear. So if you have that window open quick enough, this printers and scanners window, you may end up sitting for some seconds, and then over time you'll just see it appear in this list. So I'm going to click once on this, and then I'm going to click once on the Remove Device, and then I'm going to click Yes. You should also know that if a room were to have 2 printers, the primary printer will be available to you in the printers and scanners list. And if you find that the primary printer of the room is not what you want, contact us so we can help you get the other printer of the room on your tablet. So I'm going to click on the X in the upper right hand corner of the window, and that should conclude the demonstration on how to use that printer installer. Now again, if you don't have that available to you, contact us and we'll be able to help you out rather quickly with that. Thanks a lot, and enjoy the other videos.